have some bad sounds here and there when driving the forwarder. Well, I have some annoying little vibration sound that I hope will be cured by adding some rubber strip here on the edges where the lid back where the hydraulic valve package is located. I've confirmed this sound I hear, but I also have some sound from the drivetrain that sounds like it's come from underneath, and I suspect the motor had nothing really on the plug for the gearbox when that was shut not too long ago, and had the filter here out not long ago either and cleaned things up, and there was a bit of metal debris, but with the failures that have been in the past on this machine, I suspect some of it could be from that, so I wanted to clean it up and have driven a little, and not a whole lot new on there. A few little specks on the magnets, but not a whole lot. So we'll see. I will probably check it again, and at some point probably pull the motor out. I will probably check the gearbox plug once more before doing that also, but I think I mentioned it in some previous video. I will slowly try to finish what was planned to do this winter before pulling anything apart. A new grease bucket had been bought. A little more than needed had been used with the failures both on the harvester, with it pumping out a lot of grease in a broken hose feeding the first block. And I think I have the grease settings on that a little high also. I try to smooth out and get as little air as possible under that lid in there, and then I pulled the coupling from the forwarder that was just outside, and then pumped it the whole bunch into the other bucket. At some point, if I have a couple of buckets with little grease in them, you can start scooping it up and using the last bit a little more efficient. Fill that. It has been using a little bit too little grease, it feels like, but I've told my dad to do a manual extra cycle every now and then, and when it was close to the garage we did the bogies also, even if it could probably have been run a day or two more without that, so, but easier to do when you're close to the garage.